I am Matthew Campbell and this is my Google presentation for INF 469 Senior Seminar for Instructor Catherine Dumas.
So this is my project on Google Moonshot, Google Moonshot project on the Google human body, and this is on, it's called the baseline study. So it's Google X's new project, basically, and it's to produce the fullest picture of what a completely healthy human body should look like, genetically and molecularly. So its aim is basically a quest inside the human body. The aim is to prevent different illnesses. So it will be done through genetic and molecular information from 175 people, and that will be just a start. Later on, after the initial research, if it's going well, then they will expand up onto thousands of people. Right now, it's being run by Andrew Conrad, and he was a chief medical doctor in charge of research on high volume tests for HIV and blood plasma. So he has a lot of experience in research in cells. He was also put in charge of assembling a team of 70 to 100 experts ranging from the fields of physiology, biochemistry, optics, imaging, and molecular biology to participate in the study. It would be a major breakthrough in the scientific world, as medicine would not be developed in order to cure illnesses. Instead, it would be developed as a preventative measure. So, for example, the the test they would be using stuff such as bodily fluids, such as blood and saliva and tears. They'll also be using information from other Google devices, such as the Google contact lens, which can monitor one's blood sugar levels. So, with this information, they will be able to reveal biomarkers that help people. And these biomarkers, for instance, will be able to tell what what molecule or what is used to break down fat from food efficiently in the human body. And then they could use this to see if this biomarker is present in another person. If this biomarker is not present in that person, this is how they would come up with a plan as to what they could do to help this person break down fats from their food to prevent illnesses later on that could lead to death. This project like this has been done before, but the difference is they didn't have the power that Google has in terms of research. They have Google has one of the largest computer and data centers. For example, look at YouTube, so much data all in one place. So in terms of research and collecting data, Google is very powerful in this field. So they can collect a lot of data on the different attributes and genomes and cells from different humans. So this, if this proves successful, later on, there are a bunch of questions involved, like health insurance wise, like if a person's breakdown is known down to the genetics, wouldn't that cause problems with insurance? But this information will be kept private, and just as any other medical research, this would be monitored by rules, and these would be rules from universities such as Duke University and Stanford University of Medicine to govern the sharing of people's information, health information at that. So this would be a very good project. In a couple of years, there could be a cure for many illnesses and diseases. People could be living for way longer, and this would definitely be a huge deal for Google.